Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. If you haven't seen my last video yet, you might want to go check it out. Anyways, in this video today, we'll be building a vertical nav bar using only HTML and CSS, no JavaScript. But we'll also be using some Google fonts, so I'll have this link right here linked in the description below for you to use, as well as Font Awesome, which is this link right here. I'll have it linked in the description as well. And basically, we just created a vertical nav bar and we just added some hover effects to it. So let's take a look at it. So when you hover over it, it just does that. And the cool thing is that you can also make the icon turn green when you hover over it. And that's pretty much all it does, but this might be useful if you want to add this into your website. So let's get started. And I've made a video about navigational bars before, but instead of vertical, it's horizontal. So this video will be a time lapse, since they're both very similar, except one is horizontal and the other one is vertical, which is this. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get right into the video.